Um, so, I hadn't had chicken and waffles until maybe a year ago. Um, and why isn't that? There we go. Um, so I've only had them once, and we were going to have a get together with our family, and our daughter decided it'd be fun to have some fun food. If we're going to get together, we should have fun food. And so she said, "What about easy chicken and waffles?" And this, I think, had to do with it was Saturday before Valentine's. So let's see. Okay, so here are the ingredients for everybody knows how to make a waffle. Some people may actually start with flour, but we start with Bisquick and oil and where my cursor? An egg, and it said milk, but I had half and half. So my choices were coconut milk or half and half. So I went with the half and half. And let's see. Huh. Now I can't find. I am so sorry, you all. Here we go. Okay, so you have to spray the waffle iron. You pour in the batter. You get the waffle, and then you need to have the plates heating in the oven, and as you make the waffles, they stay warm in the oven, and then you're warming the syrup. Hold on, because I've got to move the bar. This is the oddest thing. Because now you're going to get to see why. Here we go. This is why it's easy. Because you go and get the Chick-fil-A chicken tenders. Or one of the people coming over to your house picks them up on the way. And so that's the secret to making easy chicken and waffles. We just had everybody sort of assemble it the way they wanted. And it's nice to have fresh fruit and let's see, blackberries, or we also added pecans, I think, because we like pecans on everything. And so something, they've now come up with a new kind of pouring spout on a big jug of maple syrup. I'd never seen it before. It doesn't drip, and it's wonderful. So it's like I hadn't bought syrup in a long time. And if possible, get the chicken tenders that are spicy. I don't like spicy, but when it combines with the sweet waffle and the syrup, it there's a melding of flavors that is really spectacular. So anyway, that is our easy chicken and waffles. I would recommend them. They are quite fun and easy to do.